Hi, and welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting room. Today, I want to give you a very, very quick update on everything that has been going on in my crazy life. I do apologize for the lack of tutorials for the last couple of days, but my husband is very, very ill. He has gotten some kind of a virus. It is not the one that we all think it might be. He's been tested twice for that, and it has come back negative. But nevertheless, he has been extremely sick. I spent Saturday in the emergency room, and so I have to tell you, I'm completely exhausted from no sleep and also from taking care of him. So anyway, that's what's been going on that way. And then yesterday there was a leak in our water heater pipe above the water heater, so that had to be repaired. That was a nightmare. I had hoped to get up a tutorial yesterday, and I just couldn't because it took literally all day to get it fixed. So I appreciate your patience. I really, really do. It's just been one of those things. And sadly for my husband, he's not going to be able to attend Thanksgiving at my daughter's house because, well, he doesn't want to make everybody sick. So a lot of mask wearing around here, and just please keep him in your prayers because this stuff is absolutely terrible. Whatever it is, and I don't know what it is, but it's terrible. So anyway, so I figured that now would be a really, really great time to go ahead and launch my store. So here is what I'm doing. I'm launching my new store. I actually have two, but the one that is going to be live, it's actually live right now if you'd like to go check it out. It is craftyauthorshop.com. and it has fabric for sale in it. I do have some of my fabric stash up in there. I will be adding more and more as we go along, but for right now I have up there what I'm ready to sell at this point. So go ahead and take a look at that. If you would like to buy a gift card, I offer gift cards in my shop, so you would just click on that and you would be able to purchase one for a quilter or whatever, or yourself, or if you want to share that link with somebody, you can also have them purchase a gift card for you as well. I will be stocking that store with fabrics and other sewing notions, so that's a little bit separate from my Etsy shop. So craftyauthorshop.com has the fabric in it, and also Crafty Author Boutique is the one where I sell my handmade items for kids and adults and all kinds of stuff. I have got patterns in there, I've got quilt kits in there, and so I am running a huge sale in there right now. So it starts tomorrow, so it'll start on Thanksgiving. You can start shopping early. craftyauthor.boutique.com, and don't worry, I'll put everything down in the description box so you'll be able to find it really, really easy. I have a sale going on. It's 15% off my entire shop. That includes everything in the shop. And if you use code TURKEY, you get an additional 10% off on everything. So it is a fantastic value. So it's something that you're definitely not going to want to miss. I have some of those, I have a lot of kits in there still and whatnot. So now's the time to grab it if you're wanting to grab that, or if you want to gift that to somebody for Christmas, a quilter or anything like that. So be sure to do that. Again, the sale starts tomorrow, November 25th, on Thanksgiving. This is November 25th, 2021. So be sure you check that out. I am going to show you a few things that I've had the pleasure of working on. I'm also in the process of kind of organizing some things down here again. I know it's crazy. I feel like I'm constantly organizing, but I bought another rolling cart for my vinyl and things like that, for my heat transfer vinyl. I've purchased some little bins over here so that when I start getting some more embroidery projects, I can put them all in there. And I just picked up 2 new orders today, so I will be working on those, and I'll show you what some of that looks like because they're really adorable. So I am offering these. These are children's pajamas, and the little pants, and then the top. So this one is for my grandson, and this is a little elf pattern that I got. I believe this is a Designs by Juju pattern. And so this is A for his name, A for Alex. It's so cute. And yeah, so, and just so you can see on the back side, I use Tender Touch so that it doesn't rub on their skin. So, but yes, it's an entire little set. It is adorable. I will be putting these into my shop. I have some on hand. I don't have a whole lot of sizes available at this point, but I do have some that I did order on hand. So I will be placing these in my shop. So, aren't they adorable? I know, I love them. So cute. So I need to make some for my other grandson, and I've got his all ready to go. I just haven't been able to do much. I picked up these Ginger embroidery scissors. I am super excited about these. As you know, my really good sewing scissors are this brand, and I swear by them. I've had them for a really long time, and they're so sharp, and they cut really well. And I have another pair of scissors that are like this, these little snips, but they don't stay sharp. So I finally spent the money and I bought them. Joann's actually had these on sale, and honestly, I mean, they were $40. I know that's a lot of money for snips, but they were 40 bucks. And I had a coupon, and I was actually able to use it with these. So it worked out in my favor. So I just got them. I just didn't even care at this point. And then I also picked up this new die for my AccuQuilt. This we're going to make a mug rug with. I am going to do it. I'm going to show you how to use the embroidery files from AccuQuilt using the AccuQuilt, and we're going to do a mug rug. That's the sole purpose that I bought this for. I'm excited. I've wanted this die for a really, really long time. It came out at the same time that the gnome die did, and so you know my obsession with gnomes, so I don't even need to go any further with that. But yes, super cute. I love it. And then, you know, what can I say? I'm such a sucker for fabric. It's just not even funny. But when I was at Hobby Lobby, or at Joann's, I don't know why I said Hobby Lobby, good grief. I picked this fabric up. I think it's so cute. And I only got a half a yard of it, but honestly, I wanted to buy the whole bolt. It just did. It just appealed to me. And I didn't, though. I restrained myself. So I was proud of myself that day. And then I got this. So this fabric is for my embroidery projects. This is going to be for the Santa hat for the children's pajamas. And I'm really excited to see what that looks like. And then I have one last goodie to share with you. And we are going to decorate this together. But I purchased this cool little tree, this tabletop tree for the craft room. And it has this beautiful pink star on it that I purchased. I got these at Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off. So I had to have it. And you know I'm a sucker for anything that's pink. So there's the tree skirt, the little pink tree skirt, and it's all fur. It's so cute. And then these beautiful little Christmas balls in pink, of course. Pink glittery candy cane ornaments. This is going to be the showstopper, I have a feeling. These little gnome ornaments for the tree. They're so cute. And then, of course, what tree wouldn't be complete without all of these little presents underneath it? So, we will be putting that up shortly. But I did want to show you that because I knew that you would love it as much as I do. My husband did not quite understand that. We bought this tree, like, it's been a while. Probably about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. I just have finally gotten around to showing it to you. So, also wanted to take a moment to show you my newest member of my Cricut Cutie collection. That guy is like a burnt orange color, which I'm absolutely loving because I don't have this one. So this one is new, and I have some other new little goodies in here too, but I don't know if I can actually get the camera and show it to you. I'm going to try though, and then you're going to laugh at me and go, oh my gosh. The craft room is evolving. That's all I have to say about that. It is evolving. So let me flip the camera and show you. Okay, so that's my new little cheetah cat. And these are my 2 little poodles. They're twins. I sell SCENTSY for fun. And so these are little SCENTSY buddies. And I'll link to my SCENTSY link in case you want to make a purchase there. But these are some of the SCENTSY buddies that SCENTSY has. Miss Piggy and Kermit the Frog, you might have seen them in some of my stuff. That little moose right there is adorable. And then we have Groot. So he's so cute. I love him. And I have him next to my little Duran Duran pop rocks, guys. I think they're called Pop Funk or something like that. I don't know. But they are up here next to my Keep On Crafting and all of these other items that are up here. This is a clock that my grandma made for me when I was a little girl. I can see I need to dust that. I apologize. And then my mom made that one for me too when I was little. So I put them up here in my craft room because this is my happy place. So that is all that I have for you today. I know it's just a bunch of random stuff. I just wanted to get on here and just give you a quick update to let you know about the sale and the launch of the new website. And I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. And if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, I just want to wish you all a very happy week. So stay healthy, be good to each other, and tell people that you love them because life is really short. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share, that's great because sharing is caring. Don't forget to click that little bell. You get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And we are almost at 30,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. I just appreciate all of your love and support. Once I hit 30,000 subscribers, I'm going to do one heck of a giveaway. So you are not going to want to miss that. So make sure you do share me with your friends because the sooner we get there, the sooner the giveaway starts. I think I'm about 300 away from 30,000. So keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.